Hey everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to convert Bitcoin to USDT on Bybit in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open your Bybit app and log into your account. Now at the bottom menu, tap on Assets, then tap the small Convert button, usually found near the top or inside your spot wallet. If you cannot find it right way, you can search it. Now in the Convert screen, choose Bitcoin in the From section, then select USDT in the To section. Enter the amount of Bitcoin BTC you want to convert. The tab will show you how much USDT you will receive based on your current rate. Once you are ready, tap Code to get the live rate. If you see transfer, tap it and move your Bitcoin to your spot wallet. Once your Bitcoin is in the spot wallet, you should be able to convert to the USDT. And that's it, you have successfully converted Bitcoin to USDT using the Bybit app. If you found this video helpful, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.